Hi there, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa. Today we're going to talk about the difference between throw to and throw at. Let's get started. They are playing with a ball. They are throwing the ball to each other. The boy threw the ball to the girl. We use the preposition to. They are playing. He threw the ball to the girl because he wants her to catch it. And that's why we use the preposition to. But if a person wants to hit someone, we say throw at. For example, he threw a rock at him. He threw a rock at the boy. In this case, he wants to hit him, and we use the preposition at. Let's look at another example. She's very angry with her husband. She's not happy. She wants to hit him. I think she's going to throw the rolling pin at him. What do you think? Do you think she's going to throw the rolling pin at her husband? That's right. I think she's going to throw the rolling pin at her husband. She's very upset and she wants to hit him. He threw a snowball at his friend because he wants to hit him. We say throw at. In the past, threw at. He threw a snowball at his friend. Let's practice. Did he throw a snowball at his friend? That's right. He threw a snowball at his friend. Good job. So remember, if you're playing with a ball, you can say, throw the ball to me. Or you can say, throw me the ball. Both are correct. But if a person wants to hit someone, we say, throw at. For example, he threw a rock at the boy. And the word order is very important. We can't switch the words. He threw a rock at the boy. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English and practice speaking English, subscribe to our channel. Bye!